everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to get BIS for laptops and tablets. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology introduced BIS Compulsory Registration Scheme. The scheme made it mandatory for manufacturers to register their product before releasing them in the market. Under the Compulsory Registration Scheme, every manufacturer, whether foreign or domestic, must be registered for importing, selling electronic goods in India. A total of 77 electronic products have been mentioned in the scheme. This includes audiovisual components, mobile phones, computer components, Bluetooth devices, etc. If a manufacturer fails to comply with these norms, they shall be penalized for non-compliance under the BIS Act. There are certain key points that one must remember before applying for BIS for laptops and tablets. The BIS license for laptops and tablets can only be granted to the manufacturers. Other entities such as importers, retailers, and traders are not granted this license. If a foreign manufacturer wants to obtain this license, he can do so through an authorized Indian representative. The applicant must clearly state the factory's address in the application form. Once the license is granted for a particular site, it cannot be changed. If there is a change in the address of the manufacturing unit, then a fresh application for the license has to be made. In case there are multiple manufacturing units of the same equipment, then the entity must make a separate application for each of the address to the BIS. While filing an application for BIS, it is necessary to mention the category under which the product lies. However, in some situations, the manufacturers require more than one license. In the cases of laptops and tablets, the manufacturer needs to have two registrations, one for the device and the second one for the adapter which is given with it. Lastly, the brand or the proprietor's name is also essential to the application. If a manufacturer plans to make the same product for more than one brand, he has to get separate BIS CRS registration for both. So what are the documents that are required to obtain BIS for laptops and tablets? A completed CDF/CCL form, a BIS application form, business license of the unit. This business license must be translated into English and the local language, manufacturer's ISO certificate, a letter of authorization, a trademark certificate. In case of foreign manufacturers, the documents of authorized Indian representative, ID proof and photographs of the authorized Indian representative, the layout of the manufacturing unit, and lastly, the user manual product. Of the product. Now let's have a look at the process of BIS registration for laptops and tablets. Number 1, the filing of application. The manufacturer must ensure that the BIS application is duly filed and all the necessary documents are attached along with it. Next, the test reports of the product has to be submitted. The product has to be submitted to a BIS certified lab for testing. The lab shall generate a test report which should also be attached to the application. Once the application is submitted to the BIS, it shall scrutinize the application. If any discrepancies are found in the application, then the BIS shall ask the manufacturer to rectify those. In case no errors are found, then the BIS shall grant the license to the manufacturer. The license shall bear an 8-digit number. The BIS for laptops and tablets shall be valid for a period of 2 years. After this period, the manufacturer has to file for its renewal. So that's it for this video. For more such updates, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.